Hey guys, welcome to my channel Creator Supervise. I'm here to be showing you other creators video like video editing, color grading, all the content that you would benefit from. So please, before we go further, please, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel. I just created the channel and don't have any subscribe yet, so please subscribe to my channel. If you're on Instagram, please follow me as well. Drop your comment to whatever content you want me to drop next, and I promise that will be my next content to drop on this channel. So please, let me not waste your time. Let's go.
So this is called the invisibility effect, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so you're going to need the actual footage and the clean plate. In the Fusion tab, connect the clean plate to the media out, select the clean plate, and then search for the displace effect. Now select the actual footage and search for the magic mask tool. Now select the magic mask node, and using the pen tool, make sure to outline your full subject. Preview your selection and connect the node to the displace. In the displace settings, up the refraction strength to 2 and the light power to 0.02.
I'm sure you're enjoying the content. You learn, I learn, we both learn. So please subscribe to my channel. Also on my Instagram, follow me. Drop your comments, whatever question, whatever thing you want me to bring next. I'll do that in my next content. God bless.